nice leather seats here. This is material, nice leather trim. Smells of leather as well, and this is the only one so far compared to Audi and Volkswagen that's got a leather feel top. This feels really nice. Maybe that's why there's a strong smell of the leather. Now unfortunately this car is being charged at the moment, so there's a lack of power. This one also has controls where the gear stick is, and it has a gear stick for reverse. So similar to the Audi, but it'd probably be nice if they can get rid of that and have that on here on the steering wheel or around the side of the steering wheel. Steering wheel feels doesn't feel too bad, but it's a soft textile, bit plasticky, but then it's kind of maybe a little slightly creeping towards a leathery feel, but yeah, it feels okay. These two very nice looking Audi Q4s. There's a variation of models. There's the standard, then there's the S, then there's the Sportsback, and then there's I think the GTX. So it's all quite confusing. The one thing that stands out with these Audi e-tron is the grills. What is it? It just looks so amazing. The way the display is integrated into the dash, unlike some of the others which stand up higher than the dash and look out of place. These vanity mirrors, they look exactly the same in each car. Great stuff. The Volkswagen has moved the gears changer to the right of the steering wheel, which is pretty cool. The pop-up, this thing that stands up in the middle, seems a little bit out of place. Maybe it's because it's got a lower dashboard.